Welcome to Dr. Veda YouTube channel. Medicinal values of garlic. Dr. Veda. Garlic has long been recognized for its medicinal properties and is widely used in traditional medicine practices around the world. It contains a compound called allicin, which has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties that can help boost the immune system and fight off infections. Garlic is also believed to have anti-inflammatory effects and may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants that can protect against oxidative damage and promote overall health. Some studies have even suggested that garlic may have potential anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of garlic's medicinal benefits, incorporating this flavorful herb into your diet can certainly provide some added health benefits. It should not replace medical treatment, and individuals should always consult with a healthcare professional before using it as a remedy.